Assalamu alaikum. And good morning. Today I am here to announce today we are gathered here to celebrate and acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our prefects. Being a prefect is not an easy task, and it required a great deal of responsibility, commitment and leadership. Prefects play an important role in maintaining discipline and a positive learning environment. Remember, being a prefect is not just about the badge or title. It is about the responsibility that comes with it. Use your position wisely to uplift and support your fellow students. Now I would like to call Sir Usama to please come forward and distribute sash to selected students. Hansla, class 9. From class 5. Zainab from class 4.